First of all, I'd like to thank everybody who's been involved so far. A fantastic effort from everybody, from my co-curators and from many people who've done projects, from students, from teachers in many institutions here in Porto and the north of Portugal. Partners too in industry have provided recycled materials and free objects we can use as part of the Biennale. Without people really caring for the Biennale, and care is one of the themes in this alter care, we wouldn't have had the richness of events and activities and exhibitions that we've had. When I created the theme, Alter Realities, I feel we're in a time when we need to discuss, well, how could we live differently? How could we be differently? And how can we care more for each other and for other living beings? We're really surrounded by a lot of synthetic materials, and we don't really know where those materials have come from. We have some local materials, so if you live in the city of Porto Matosinhos, you see granite every day, because this is the local geology. Because the problem of using materials from a long way away, we might be damaging somebody else's territory. We probably are in some ways. We hope that exploring these questions makes everybody think about a wider world of materials and matter. And also very important questions about what we want to do with that wider world in the near future. The pandemic did open up this idea of care in a good way, I think. Of course, we know it's still rolling on, the pandemic. I feel my theme of Alter Realities has been very well interpreted, and the four sub-themes of Alter Care, Alter Livelihoods, Alter Production and Alterscapes, this view of the cityscape, which Carlo Ratti Associati were looking at through Vodafone data, how people move around the city. I think all of these things are giving us time to reflect in the present and say, well, okay, this is what we're feeling now and understanding now, so what do we want to change in the very near future? I think the Biennale is really about sowing lots of seeds. And like most seeds, some will germinate very quickly and grow, and some will be watered or find water, and others will not germinate. So I see this Biennale as sowing seeds for the near future.